who's gonna hold them like you do? And dito naman, may ex na kayo, or parang it was a painful past, it was a painful breakup, and you're kind of curious lang who's gonna be the next in line after you. Okay? So for Aries, it's gonna be a Leo. Pero mayayabangan muna sila dito sa taong to. For Taurus, it's someone that they'll meet. Parang nakikita ko dito, it's parang Gemini, ang sign ng ng future partner nila. They have a lot of questions. They feel lost, and this Gemini will be able to give them the answers that they need. Ngayon, for Gemini, they'll find that new person through meditating and contemplating. Parang it's more of a spiritual awakening. Doon nila mamimit yung panibagong person nila. Nakakalito to, no? Nakakalito magbasa nito. Okay, next is for Cancer. They'll find their new love in a Taurus. Okay, they have a lot of dreams na hindi natupad when you guys were together, and si Taurus ang makakapagbigay nun sa kanila. Next is for Leo. They'll find it in a Capricorn. Si Capricorn kasi yung parang mag-ground, parang iti-take away niya lahat ng mga naging problems ng ex ninyo. And parang they will really start anew. It's a new cycle altogether. Next is for Virgo. Pisces ang makakatulong sa kanila. So it's more of learning how to balance spirituality and practicality. I feel also siguro that your ex they have a little bit of a red flag when it comes to a lot of things, their thoughts, their beliefs, and si Pisces ang makakapagpaayos, parang ibabalik lang sila sa right track. Okay? Next is si Libra. Okay? Libra rin ang makakatulong sa kanila. Next is for Scorpio. Cancer ang makakapagpaayos dun sa person ninyo, dun sa nanakit sa inyo. They will try to end, parang they're teaching your person to cut off ties na with you, especially if they feel na parang nagiging toxic na every time na napag-uusapan kayo. Next is for Sagittarius. It's a person from their past. Okay? For Capricorn, Scorpio ang makakapagbigay sa kanila ng love that they need. It's really embracing them, showing them what passion is really like. Okay. Next is for Aquarius. Aquarius rin ang mahahanap nila. They will try to give in a new perspective, parang their parang unique thoughts on certain topics na parang they've never seen before, especially when they were with you. So parang it's more of a realization. They're not really going to take them away from you, but it's making them understand a different perspective dun sa situation na yon. And lastly, for Pisces, the person who's gonna be taking care of them will be a Gemini. And they really have good communication. Mas naiintindihan nila yung ex ninyo. Okay, so let me know if this reading was painful. Nagawa pa ba ako ng ganitong reading next time? These readings can be changed, diba? Depending on the situation. Or if you like to book a private tarot reading session with me, just go ahead and message me. Bye!